The Intermediate Guide to Microsoft Excel 2013. This Little Piggy Goes to Market. Another Computer Mama Guide. Real data comes in different formats. It could be the name of the product, the date it was sold, or the amount of money you put into the bank. Microsoft Excel uses different formulas for the different formats. This lesson is going to focus on the Formulas ribbon and specifically on working with text. There is a sample file that you can download, and when you click on it, depending on your browser, you'll be prompted to open or save it. Please save it to your hard drive. Then, when you are ready, start the program Microsoft Excel and open the sample file. Let's look at the data. The data is arranged in columns. Column A is all date. Column B is the name of the product, so that's text. Column C is financial. Column E is a formula that calculates the price times the quantity. This sample has several different spreadsheets. There is a spreadsheet for each one of the products: legs, eggs, and pigs. The summary sheet adds up all of the products, and the formula at the top shows a reference to each spreadsheet: legs, eggs, and pigs. I would like to make a copy of the original data. This one combines all of the sales for each one. Right-click Original Data. Click Move or Copy. Check to create a copy. Then please click OK. Double-click Original Data 2 and rename this one Text Functions. Okay, here we go. The first text function is Concatenate. Concatenate means to combine two or more cells together. You can use this formula in Access and Excel. Click on F1 and type the label Concatenate. Click on F2 and go to Formulas, Text, Concatenate. When you click on Concatenate, the function arguments will open. Your cursor's in Text 1. Please click on B2. The answer's on the right side. It says pigs. Click on Text 2 and again click on D2 in the spreadsheet. The answer's on the right side. When you click OK, what do you see? It combined them. It says pigs 100, but this isn't easy to read. I think we can do better. Go to Undo and let's try again. My cursor's in F2. Go to Formulas, Text, Concatenate. This time in the function arguments, in Text 1 type Daily Sales 4, and please make sure there's a space after that. When you tab to the next row, Microsoft Excel puts quotes on it. Text 2 is B2. Text 3, type a colon and a space. Text 4, click on D2. Now click on OK. And what do you see? Much better. Double-click the column to make it wider, and I see daily sales for pigs, 100. This is user-friendly. I can read it. You can use the autofill handle to double-click and fill in the data. Nice. The next two formulas will actually format the text, upper and lower. Click on G1 and type in the label, upper. Now click on G2 and go to Formulas, Text, Upper. When you click on Upper, the function arguments will open. Our data is in B2, and if you notice, it was entered as upper and lower, but when you click OK, the results show all uppercase. Go ahead and double-click the autofill handle to fill that down. Lower. Click on H1 and type in lower. Click on H2 and go to Formulas, Text, Lower. When you click on lower, the function arguments will open. Our data is in B2. This time the formula results show all lowercase, little letters. Go ahead and double-click the autofill handle to fill that down. You can use a formula to substitute or change the data. For example, when I sell eggs, I want to say 1 dozen eggs. Go ahead and put a label in I1, and in I2 go to Formulas, Text, Substitute. When you click on Substitute, the formula arguments will open. This time, for text, click on the data, B2. For the old text, type in eggs. Excel will put the quotes around it. For the new text, type in 1 dozen eggs. Click on OK. What do you see? When it found the word pigs, it did not substitute pigs as 1 dozen pigs. Go ahead and double-click the autofill handle, and let's look at the data. Oh, look! When it found the word eggs, it substituted 1 dozen eggs, but it left the pigs and the legs alone. Very good. 3 text functions. Thank you for joining me, and this is another Computer Mama Guide.